Do you like layers? I like layers. Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working on my index cards. I pulled out this one that has lines and dashes on it and decided we'd put a bird on there. And I think you actually see the lines and stuff at the end of this. Unlike the other ones where they got so covered up you don't see anything. I think you do see them a little bit. Even though I think I put quite a few layers on this one. Yeah, that's why I put the comment on there. I'm really liking the layers. I'm looking at this card finished, and you can almost see every layer I applied. Almost. Some of them, when I'm doing them, they get so covered up you can't see the layer before. But this one, I think, we'll see. You can give me your opinion at the end. Do you see every layer? So I'm starting with my neon pink. Gonna put some pink down as the background. Trying to be careful not to smear. Though I think this one might have been done with a brush marker rather than the India ink. So maybe it's more permanent. I don't remember the Inky Marks project. Is that the word? When I did that, it was a long time ago, so I can't remember exactly. I'd have to go find the videos. I think I did videos. I'm not positive. Might have to go look that up. If I did, I'll link them below. How's that? Alright, we're going to start with basic yellow for the bird. I'm just blocking in some color and leaving a little space for the wing. Added a little neon yellow to the orange to make it more neon, since it's not, even though it looks pretty bright. And I use that to do a little bit of contouring of the bird. Give it a little bit more dimension. And I decided this is just going to be a fun little stylized bird. Sorry, I'm moving my iPad. I forgot. I leave it on I lean it up against my laptop. I'm using my iPad to edit. Lean it up against my laptop and you get a vibration. Sorry if it was making a noise there. Yeah, the bird's feet are a bit, I don't know, odd. We'll say it's folk art style, right? I don't know why I did that with the blue on the wing, but apparently at the time I wanted to. I'm just really playing around, having fun adding color. And all the colors are next to each other on the color wheel. I was trying to think of the analogous. So they blend really well. So yellow and red make orange. So it works to create that volume and make it look more rounded. put some more of that neon yellow back in, brighten things up a little bit. I think I do even more eventually here. I'm watching me mix. I'm like, when did I use blue? But oh yeah, I have sort of a purple color on here, so I must, yeah, mix the pink and the blue together and give myself a little bit of purple. I was thinking purple is the complementary of yellow, and that would help the bird stand out more. And then, yeah, I did that. I've been on a kick with the white brayering thing. I got a little carried away on that one. And then going back in with the gel crayons. To add the pink and the purple back in because I obliterated it. Pretty much. Who knew something that size would take me so long to do? This is sped up, I don't know, quite a bit. And hopefully it doesn't jump too much. I did edit out cleanup and looking for the right paint or gel crayon. I think I decided I liked this darker purple a little bit better. See what I mean by layers? Going back in with that pink again because I pretty much lost it all. Decided to just do it with my fingers. And again, just finger painting, adding more yellow on top. A lot of work to get one dot. So now I decided I needed to crisp up my bird because he's very messy. And that doesn't really work well with the gel crayons. So you can see me over on the side kind of cleaning off the pen, hoping I don't kill it. There, now the bird stands out. That last tail feather got a little lost when I was messing around with layers. I think I just add a few finishing touches. Just adding more of that purple. And then you don't see me, I added a word, I put laugh on there. And I put the back on and did the ink around the edges. Oh, and I decided my bird needed some curly cues, so we're adding those. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did, leave me a thumbs up or a comment. Appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.